Did you know that Insight has mobile access as well? So just like InTouch and Edge, Insight gives you the ability to access the application on a mobile device. Insight is unique, though, in the sense that not only can you access your solution on a web browser on your mobile device, like for Edge and InTouch, but there's actually a dedicated application for it. It is available in the Google Store, as you will see in this video. And Santa called me the other day and he said he was worried because he has an Android phone. He doesn't have an iPhone. And he said, does this work for Android? And I told him, yes, it's supported on both Android and iOS devices. So here we're pulling up the Insight app inside of the Google Store and downloading it. And now we're opening the Insight app after we downloaded it, and it will prompt you to log in, just like the web browser version of Insight does. And at this point, you have access to all of the Insight features on your mobile device, just as you would on your computer.